Oh, where are you at? There you are. Oh. Hello. I'll make this quick, cut to the chase. Back in the garage. Car's on jack stands. Wheels are off. Needed to rotate them anyways, but still having brake problems. Calipers sticking. So, tired of fighting with it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get these front brakes off. I was thinking I was gonna have to kind of recondition, repaint, throw on a quick coat of more spray paint. I was gonna do the rears, but the paint's really held up well after all these years, so no complaints there. Everything else looking good. This boy is still stuck. Turning right now, but that's because I already had taken this off to look at the pistons, and the upper piston is just not wanting to move, even after resetting it. So I've gotten tired of fighting with it, so I have ordered a new one of these. I just gotta get this one off, get the other one off, and then I can paint the new one, and then we can throw on the new one, bleed the brakes, and Bob's your uncle, or whatever they say. So let's get that done. Yeah, I was driving home just last week because I decided to drive this to work, and this brake was so locked up it was actually causing the engine to bog down, fighting the damn resistance. So that's always fun. Look how glazed this is. Look at that mirror effect. It's beautiful. Have to do a little garage hack because I don't have money for new rotors just yet. So I just need to loosen everything while it's on here. Loosen the bleeder. That's gonna spill everywhere. And then the brake line. That is the wrong size. Ugh, felt like the 14 wanted to round off the feed line. Good thing I keep a set of standards around. 9/16 took it off just fine. I don't think I've ever used that socket. I don't think I've ever used any of those. First time for everything. Good to have it. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Oh yeah, that wasn't helping. Have to clean out this bracket. Apparently there's some good old rust going on in there. Now with the old... Okay, you can stop dripping everywhere. There you go. Oh, no! I was so happy that didn't sling stuff everywhere. Just I'll have to clean that bracket more than I was expecting. Ooh, shiny. Should not be that shiny. That looks a lot nicer. It ain't permanent, it's temporary, but it'll do the job. Whatever we can do to get the brakes back on. Alright, using some questionable methods due to a lack of funding. Don't judge me please, but at least the rotor is deglazed. We've had to lower our standards
just a little bit to make things work here. Is what it is. I guess I didn't need to take that off. Alright. Okay, that's back on. Where were we? Oh yeah, bracket. That's passable for now. Until I can save up enough funds and do these a little bit more better and properly, I'll have to do. Woo! Okay. Alright, reported to be 65 foot-pounds. Alright, cleaned up the guides. I also cleaned inside the bores just to get all that rusty nastiness out of there. That way when we put in the new grease, we shouldn't have any issues, at least in that area. Huh, I wonder which piston was stuck. Alright, I'm gonna grease these up. I just bought these quick little packs from O'Reilly's. Seems to be enough for these pins. So, this one has the black rubber on it. So from what I've read, this needs to go closest to the brake bleeder, which will be at the top of the caliper. Okay, use the rest of this for the bottom one. Alright, guide pins are 54 foot-pounds. Alright, I'm going to put a little sealant on the bleeder screw and the brake feed, the brake line. I believe this one even mentions brake use. So. Keep in mind, I do have aftermarket brake lines and bleeder screw. Bleeder screw, I'm just going to do by hand till it's tight. I'm not going to over torque it. The banjo bolt over here though is 18 to 25 pounds of torque. I'm of the mind of not leaving any torque on the table, so I'm just going to 25. And then mine actually uses a 9/16 head for some reason. Probably just because of who made it. Alright, last but not least is my speed bleeder. I bought these because Tyler isn't always available. Neither is my wife, who's usually in bed when I'm doing stuff like this. So, with these, you just do a quarter to half turn, possibly even a full turn until it opens. And then all you gotta do is pump the brakes yourself. And it's got a ball valve inside, so when you let off the brake, it doesn't let air back into the system. So you can basically just be a one-man brake bleeder, which we're probably gonna have to utilize. So I'm gonna put some sealant on this, and I'm just gonna torque her down tight. Alright, that's all she wrote on that. Okay, I'm gonna get the wheels cleaned up on the inside since I got them off, and I'm also doing a rotation, so I'm just taking the front ones, put them on the back. Before I toss them on, obviously we'll break this, bleed the whole system, and then put her on the road, see what she does. It's supposed to be a little meet tomorrow night, and I'm trying to hit it. I want to get like an hour or so at night to mess with stuff. Whoa. Not too bad, not too bad. It's nice to get back into the flow of things. Flow.
It's kind of a quick video. Got those brake caliper taken care of. Car feels amazing. It feels like a new car. It doesn't feel like something's pulling me on this side. But took it out, done some runs the last couple weeks, and had a nice little car meet today. Took it down too. Just it feels great. Little odds and ends, maintenance stuff I need to take care of. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be working on. Oh, never mind. I will see y'all in the next one. Hope all your projects are going great. Y'all have a good day.